Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Priya Fly. I hope you guys are doing great and going for the interview. So I keep receiving a lot of comments under my videos that please update the group discussion topics or questions asked by Indigo Airline recently in the December month. So guys, here on a very special request by you people, because I stopped sharing the questions to you people recently, as I came to know that they are asking the same questions repeatedly and I'm making the videos, and you people started giving less priority also to the questions because आप सब भी बोर हो गए. So I thought let's skip the part, but yes, I started receiving a lot of comments. So please note it down, as I have collected a lot of questions which is like very different from the previous questions they have, like they used to ask during the interviews. So please note the questions. I have collected 8 questions for you people, and this is going to help you a lot. So please note the first question. And also, before starting the video, I will ask you people to please mention your topic so that I will make the separate video for you people on my channel, and I will study on it. I will ask the people, I will collect the collective information for you people, and I will try my best to help you out so that 2026 के starting तक में भी आपके job लग जाएगा. It's because I can see the comments. People are working so hard to get the job, and I am really loving the hard work you people are doing to get your dream job, and I am so proud of you people. Do your best, keep doing your best. एक नहीं तो दूसरी जगह, तीसरी जगह, चौथी जगह, बट कीप वर्किंग, कीप गोइंग फॉर द इंटरव्यू, कीप वर्किंग हार्ड, और एक ना एक दिन आपको सक्सेस मिलना ही है. एंड ऑल्सो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू शो लव टू माई चैनल. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए पहली बार आए हैं तो, और कमेंट करके बता सकते हो अगर आपको कोई भी चीज़ अच्छी नहीं लगी, बुरी लगी, आप कुछ चेंजेस चाहते हो. प्लीज लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन ऑल्सो. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाउ टू हैंडल स्ट्रेस in your daily life. How to handle stress in your daily life. So it can be possible that they asked it for the first round, they asked it in the first round or second round. Second round mostly is BMI, so they do not gonna ask this question to people, or it can be third or final round. Okay. Next question is role of customer service in airline. So what is the role of customer service in airline? It is mandatory if you are going for a customer service job. A cabin crew is also comes under the customer service job only, where you are going to serve your customer. So you have to know the actual meaning of customer service. Now number 3, what is your favorite color, and tell me why it is your favorite. Whether it is red or black does not matter for them. Why it is your favorite, they just want to hear that. So if you have a pink color, it is your favorite, so just explain it nicely that why it is your favorite. Just explain the scenario or something, कुछ भी बना के पका के उनको बताओ, ताकि they will get impressed, ठीक है, आपके आंसर से. Next is introduce yourself in Hindi. So as we all know, introduction is the most important part here. So it can be possible that they can ask you to introduce yourself in Hindi in the mid of the questions also, if they will find out that you are so much fluent in English, and you are giving the benefits of doubt to them that it is possible that your Hindi is not good. They will ask you in the middle of the questions that introduce yourself in Hindi or talk to the next person in Hindi. It can be possible. Okay, so just be careful. Okay, so fifth question is what is your first priority. So what is your first priority? Just let them know. Obviously our first priority is our family. किसी का मनी होता है, कितने चीज़ें होती है. So what is your first priority, आप उसको वो बोलना है कि आप सबसे पहले प्रायोरिटी किसको दोगे. Next is number 6, why you want to become a cabin crew. This is the most repetitive question, but yes, it is important. Sometimes they judge on the basis of your answer, like why you want to become a cabin crew, why you want this job. Question number 7. Question number 7 is, are you giving interviews in different airlines? So if you are giving interviews in different airlines, I know you know, so and they also knew this thing. So do not lie about this, एंड जस्ट बी कॉन्फिडेंट. क्योंकि देखो, एक जगह पे कोई भी इंटरव्यू नहीं देता, कोई भी ऐसा नहीं है कि, एंड ना ही एयरलाइंस ये गारंटी देती है कि तुम मेरे पास आओगे तो हम तुम्हें ही जॉब देंगे. सो इट्स वेरी नॉर्मल, डू नॉट गेट हेजिटेट. इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, जस्ट tell them that I came here for the very first time to give my interview, but it is if you have already tried for different airlines on particular dates, so just please refer the answer, like refer the thing that yeah, you went for the interview. That is very fine, that is very normal, it's okay. Even they will cross question you, so just be prepared for that also. But if you will say that no, I am just giving interviews in Indigo airline only, तो उसमें भी आपको ऐसे लाठी पड़ेंगे उनसे, ठीक है, वो ऐसे ऐसे बोलेंगे कि दैट इफ यू आर वेरी पैशनेट फॉर द cabin crew job, so why only Indigo airline only, why you are not going for any other airline, what if we will not select you ever? So ऐसे ऐसे चीज़ें क्रॉस क्वेश्चन करते हैं. तो झूठ बोलने की जगह पे ऑनेस्टली आंसर के साथ आप चीज़ें बढ़ोगी तो क्रॉस क्वेश्चन में भी आपको मदद मिलेगी. ऑब्वियसली आवर लास्ट प्रायोरिटी एंड फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी इज टू गेट अ जॉब, टू गेट अ मनी, टू ट्रैवल द वर्ल्ड, टू हेल्प आवर पेरेंट्स. सो यही सब चीज़ें हैं जो हमारा मेन मोटिव है. ठीक है. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 विच इज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन. आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर यू पीपल एंड मैं 2 बोनस क्वेश्चन भी थोड़ी थोड़ी से बताऊंगी आपको. ठीक है. 8 नंबर क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज मोटिवेटिंग यू टू कम फॉर द इंटरव्यू. ठीक है. सो व्हाट इज मोटिवेटिंग यू टू कम फॉर दिस इंटरव्यू और motivating you to go for any different interviews. What is the most important thing जो आपको like they are helping you to go come for the interview every morning, because we all know that it's not that easy to like spend the money every day going for the interview, getting rejected and then coming home like feeling sad, all these things. It is like it's kind of mental harassment. I can totally relate with you people. So that is why they want to know what motivates you, and I also want you people to tell me that what actually motivates you in the comment section, so that I will approve. Like if they will ask you this kind of questions, is it really going to help you out whenever you will answer the question? So guys, please let me know in the comment section what actually motivates you, and yeah, I will correct you people if it is right or not, whether it is correct or not. Okay. Okay, so 8 questions is completed. I'm going to give you 2 more questions. They started asking questions same like what is your most important strengths. We have a lot of strengths. We all know कि बहुत सारे strengths होती है हमारे पास. कुछ चीज़ों को हम बहुत ही prioritize करते हैं कि ये है मेरे अंदर तो मैं ये कर लूँगी. It's kind of strengths. So they keep asking girls like what is your most important strengths you feel like you have in yourself and how it is helping you, where you like tried the strength to get something or something like that. ऐसे करके भी कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहे हो. ठीक है. सो जस्ट ट्राई कि आपकी कोई ऐसी स्ट्रेंथ हो जिससे आपको कभी फायदा भी हुआ हो. तो जस्ट कीप द सिनेरियोज इन योर माइंड, एंड इफ that HR will ask you this question, just answer it properly. Yeah, this strength helped me in this scenario and I'm getting help a lot by my strengths and weaknesses as well. ठीक है. तो ऐसा भी हो सकता है स्ट्रेंथ्स को लेके पूछ रहे. इट कैन बी वीकनेसेस ऑल्सो, लाइक हाउ इट इज नॉट हेल्पिंग यू इन सच सिनेरियोज बिकॉज दिस इज योर वीकनेसेस और दिस इज योर वीकनेस. यू आर फीलिंग लाइक मुझे जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल फॉर मी लाइक आई फील क्राई ऑल द टाइम. लाइक मुझे कुछ चीज़ें हर्ट होती है तो मैं जल्दी रोती हूँ. लाइक आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू वाइल क्राइंग एंड आई नो 99% ऑफ गर्ल्स डूइंग दिस द सेम एंड दिस इज आवर द ग्रेटेस्ट वीकनेस एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो आवर स्ट्रेंथ. कि रोने के बाद जो स्ट्रॉन्गनेस फील होता है ना, लाइक वो बहुत ही मतलब मैंडेटरी फीलिंग होती है कि ये तो आनी चाहिए थी रोने के बाद में. सो आई नो ये एक मेरे बहुत ही कह लो कि एक वीकनेस है. तो आप उसको भी एक पॉजिटिवली चीज़ इस तरीके से समझा सकते हो. ठीक है. सो वो आप कर सकते हो. बाकी एक और क्वेश्चन मैं बोलूँगी कि डेस्टिनेशन को लेके ऐसा वो पूछ रहे हैं कि इफ़ द फ्लाइट्स विल गेट डिलेड एंड दिस इज़ नॉट योर फेवरेट ले ओवर, सो हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू डील विथ इट, बिकॉज वी ऑल नो इंडिगो की फ्लाइट कितने डिले हो रही है, कितनी ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही है. सो इस वजह से भी वो पूछ रहे हैं कि सपोज आपको दिल्ली पसंद है, दिल्ली पे आपको 2 दिन का ले ओवर दे दिया, मतलब दिल्ली आपको पसंद ही नहीं है. सो ऐसा होता है, बहुत 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 होता है. आपको बैंगलोर पसंद है, बैंगलोर में 4 दिन का ले ओवर दे दिया. तो ऐसा सिनेरियोज होते हैं. मोस्टली फ्लाइट कैंसिल हो गई है, कभी कुछ हो गया तो ही ऐसे मिलते हैं. अदरवाइज तो आपको घूमना घूमना होते ही रहता है. ठीक है. तो ऐसे सिनेरियोज भी पूछ रहे हैं. तो जस्ट बी प्रिपेयर्ड दैट यू आर गोइंग टू गिव अ गुड आंसर so that they will get impressed and they will select you for the different rounds. So otherwise girls, I hope you will make it and just be positive, keep smiling, have a good confidence, wear the uniform, wear all the things whatever is mandatory, but do not forget to wear your confidence, your smile, which is most important part whenever you are going to give your interviews for any of the airlines. Your confidence, your aura is important. Make a good personality, eat good food, keep your skin clear, drinks a lot of water. Okay. So all the best guys, thanks for watching. Till the next video, but do not forget to like this video and share this video as well to your loved ones.